Hello everyone, in this video we're going to draw a chibi cat. Start by drawing a circle as a guide for the head. An easy way to draw a circle is to first make a couple of small marks to indicate the circle's length, and then on the sides make a couple more small marks to indicate the circle's width. Then just connect the small marks using curved lines to finish the shape of the circle. Sketch lightly at first so that it's easy to erase if you make a mistake. Also pause the video as you follow along to draw at your own pace. Inside the circle, draw a sloping horizontal line for our construction guide. Draw this line below the center of the circle. Draw a curved vertical line close to the left edge of the circle for another construction guide. Now draw a small half circle under the head as a guide for the top part of the body. Pay attention to how small this shape is in relation to the head. Below the half circle, draw a small square-like shape as a guide for the front legs. Draw two short vertical lines and then close off the shape at the bottom with a horizontal line. On the bottom right side, draw a short horizontal line for the bottom edge of the body. Now draw a curved line on the right side to finish the shape of the body. The shape of the body should be small in relation to the head. And that's it for the guidelines. Now let's start on the final drawing. Inside the head, lightly sketch two small ovals for the eyes. Place the eyes on top of the horizontal construction guide and on either side of the vertical guide. Place the eye on the left close to the edge of the head. When you get the shapes of the eyes right, darken the lines. The eye on the right should be halfway between the vertical construction guide and the right side of the head. Inside each eye, off to the side, draw a tiny circle for a highlight. On the bottoms of the eyes, draw short curved lines for a bit of reflected light. Now draw a small triangle where the construction guides intersect for the nose. The nose is made up of a V-shaped line with a curved line at the top. Below the nose, draw a short line that curves to the right for the mouth. To the left, draw another curved line for the other side of the mouth. Under the mouth, draw two small V-shaped lines for the teeth. Below the teeth, draw a curved line for the open mouth. Inside the mouth, draw a short line for the tongue. On the top right side of the head, draw a big triangular shape for the first ear. Pay attention to how big the ear is in relation to the head. On the left side, draw a smaller triangular shape for the other ear. This ear is a bit smaller because the head is turned. Inside the ear on the right, draw a short sloping line for the ear's opening. Below that, draw a couple of short angled lines to represent fur. Draw a short line inside the ear on the left, too. Now darken the basic path of the big circle to create the shape of the head. Make the left edge of the head a bit flat and draw it close to the eye. Below the eye, curve the line to the left and then back down and to the right to create the cheek. Don't curve the line to the left too much or the cheek will be too big. Draw the right side of the head slightly wider than the initial circle. Sketch lightly at first and only darken the lines when you get the shape right. Don't close off the shape of the head at the bottom. Draw a vertical line inside the square-like shape at the bottom to split the shape of the legs. Darken the right side of the guide to finish the shape of the first leg. Darken the lines to the left to finish the shape of the other leg. To the right, draw a curved line across the body for the folded hind leg. The top part of this line should overlap the half circle. At the bottom, draw a shorter curved line for the hind foot. Darken the guides on the right side to finish the back portion of the body. Make the bottom of the shape more curved than the guides. Darken the left edge of the half circle to create the chest. Starting on the bottom right side of the body, draw a line that curves up for the tail. This line should be similar to the letter S. Make the tip of the tail curved. Add another S-shaped line to make the shape of the tail wider. The bottom of the tail should be wide. And that's it for the Chibi cat. Now go over the final lines with permanent ink, erase the guides, and color your drawing. The next few steps will be sped up so that the video isn't too long, but make sure that you go over your final lines slowly and carefully to avoid any accidents. For more tutorials like this one, please visit howtodrawanimals.com. That's how, and then the number 2, then drawanimals.com. Let me know in the comments what other chibi animals you want me to draw. Also, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep drawing.